Okay, welcome to the channel, Hobby1 Kenobi. Today I'm going to apply for the first time ever for me these 3D decals by Eduard. I'm excited and a little bit worried, so I've been watching a couple of videos just to kind of see what I need to do and reading up on the instructions, and it looks like we're going to treat them a bit like actual decals. I mean, that's basically what they are. They just happen to be thicker than other decals. So for instance, I'm going to take this cover for the throttle, and let's just go ahead and do what the instructions say. So it says place in for a few seconds in the water. I think this is just to sort of get it released. And I'm going to go ahead and take some of this micro crystal clear, which we know is basically PVA, which is basically white glue. Alright, so now we need this to conform over, which is a little nerve-wracking. Conform. Okay. I just happened to pick probably the most difficult decal to start with, but that's alright. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is leave it for a moment. I understand we can use decal softeners, so I'm going to let that hang out there for just a moment. I'm going to go ahead and jump right on. This is number 11. This is sort of a switchboard. It's in the rear of the cockpit. Alright, then we have these other little ones. Some of these I'm not going to use just yet. Number 5, we're going to wait till we get to the windscreen on. Let's see. Oh yeah, 6 and 7 I'm not ready for yet. They are pieces that are supposed to attach here. I still need to apply the actual Photo-Etch pieces before I get those on though. Just lay it all the way across, and then 10's going to go right. all set. Alright, that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe. I'll let you know in a future video if this, you'll probably see in a future video whether or not this decal worked well or not. Wish me luck. Alright, thanks again for watching. Bye.